Welcome to the Volatility Trading Bible. This course is a complete, in-depth guide on building a quantitative trading toolkit from the ground up. Created by the Quant Galore team, we will cover the full tech stack and strategies deployed by the publication. We go on a deep dive through creating servers and databases, real-time and proprietary volatility surfaces, short index volatility strategies, machine learning-based alphas, and more. But we don't stop there. We take deep dives into the code behind each strategy, walking you through every line to ensure you understand not just the theory, but the practical implementation as well. You'll see how the models are built, tested, and deployed in real trading environments, allowing you to replicate and innovate upon the strategies we share. So, whether you're a student looking for a standout resume project or a trader looking to up their game, the Volatility Trading Bible has something for you.